since St. Andrew's Church is very close to the beach and we are the residents and the parishioners of St. Andrews, आम्हाला असं वाटतं की सेंट अँड्रूजच आमचं सगळं आहे. सो आमच्या धंद्याला सेंट अँड्रूजचं बेसाव आहे. त्या फेथची आणि त्या ट्रस्टची का सेंट अँड्रूजच आमचा रक्षक आहे. वी कास्ट आवर नेट्स इनटू द सी with the faith of St. Andrews and Our Lady of the Mount, that she will bless and protect us whenever we venture into the seas. The church has been very, there has been lots of development in the church. Earlier it was a smaller church, then the porch was, converted back, taken inside the church. And all our fishing activities used to happen inside the church compound. Like you would see recently also, everyone opens up their nets, puts all their ropes, stitches nets. All those activities used to happen in the church compound because that was the place people found very comfortable. Because wherever they lived, they didn't have much place to comfortably work. So the St. Andrews compound and church premises was the most comfortable place. And they used to feel it as their home, so just hop, skip, jump, and you're there.
First we used to have a big function in we used to have parties and all. We used to cut pork. We used to do a lot of decoration. Then we had that East Indian song competition over here. We used to have
For the feast, basically whoever is the concelebrant of that particular mass, be it the bishop or whoever is the invitee, so that priest is given a grand welcome. So for that we have like a horse carriage where the priest stands and there's a band and all, and we have a procession where all the fishermen dress up in their particular costumes of the surka and the lugra, and proceed to the church for the celebration. In the good old days, there used to be a East Indian singing competition where all the fishermen of Chumbai used to participate. They used to compose their own East Indian songs. The band used to be from the village, and everyone used to have a gala time in the evening. There used to be, competition where people sang. If you forgot your song, then you're not the winner. But it was a very nice occasion for St. Andrew's Feast. They used to have evening sports of boating. That was in the 70s. Boating used to be there. At that time, Father George was a parish priest, so he used to encourage the fishermen here to have this boat race and have other sports on the beach. Earlier, the beach was not as polluted as it is today. It was very clean, and there could be many more activities that could happen in the 70s. Now it's not possible, but at that time they used to have their own ways of celebrating the feast. The competition used to be there, the boat racing used to be there, and some other sports on the beach. 70s and all, the celebrations were like in a different grand affair.
आम्ही चर्चमध्ये जातो मीस बीस ऐकतो आणि सगळे फॅमिलीला हॅपी पीस करतो. एन्जॉय द लाईफ.
बरेचशी गाजविता बरे करता बोले करता
नाचता मजा करता बियर पिता विस्की पिता कोण आम्ही बियर पिऊन आलो.
But now everything is changed. Now everyone has their own family party. We do it individual party. We celebrate at our own house. First we go for mass, 9:30 mass. Then in the evening we have our East Indian song competition. Then we have the fugia. Then we have the dance competition. That's how we celebrate. COVID has affected everyone's life, not only the fishing industry. But yes, first they used to sell the fish in the market, but now no one, the market and all is closed down. So what we do is we bring the fish home and then we give it to our neighbors and all, we share it among us.
COVID has, yes, it has, affected because, there is no demand in the market because of hotels and all are closed. So whatever catch we get, it's very difficult to sell it, and we don't get our price. We have to compromise on the prices. Come to 50% or even 25% at some time. So it has really affected our fishing business.
So it has affected. Now church also is closed. Now we have that online masses and all. So that get together is not there like before. So we all have to be in mask. We cannot see each other smile like before we used to do it. So that's that. Now this COVID, everything should market should open, and my dad is a fisherman. So for us, our fishing business is important. So if the market opens, then daddy can sell. We can sell the fishes, and that's how we can earn our living.
We are hoping with the blessing of St. Andrews and Mount Mary's, that the situations will change, life will come back to normal, and even with the sea project, we are finding it difficult. We are we are afraid that all our businesses would go get into shambles, but we're still trusting in Mother Mary and St. Anthony and St. Andrews that with their blessings things will stabilize, and whatever is the plan of the government, there could be some changes. We're just hoping.
Divas mawalay tanang gaulay chimbay chigawan zao Atapla bazar koli ningalen chimbay chigawan gao Somukamoni sunasone risari ningalen aushin natu Somukamoni sunasone risari ningalen aushin natu Chimbaita hamisuvar bauta amti varsata azgastai sola Satandril amala hai kurpa karanto ta koli amti sarka Chimbaita hamisuvar bauta amti varsata azgastai sola Satandril amala hai kurpa karanto ta koli amti sarka Satandril amala hai kurpa karanto ta koli amti sarka
I salute to our parish priest and the team for the undoubted work. Happy feast, everyone. Wish you all the best. Stay safe.
Happy peace.
Happy
Feast,
Feast,
St. Andrews.
St. Andrews.
Happy Feast.
Happy feast, St. Andrews.